Hello guys, this is Silva here again. Today's video is going to be about price action, and I'll be doing a top-down analysis right from the daily to the 30-minute time frame. Okay, so as you can see right here in the video, I'm marking out a key level, right, a strong support and resistance zone where I've seen in the daily. Right, as you can see here, it has been tested multiple times. All right, so this is a very strong support and resistance zone. All right, so after seeing this, I know that price will reverse from that area in the coming days. All right, so now the next thing is that I want to put in some trend lines. Okay, so as you can see, I will be drawing the trend line from the daily, all right, to the 4 hours time frame. All right, and I will be marking all the relevant key zones I see in the market. Okay, so that whenever price comes to that area, I'll be taking my entry, or it will help me have a better idea of what the market is doing. Okay, so this what I'm doing here is called trend line fending. Right, I'm trying to mark the area of support and resistance zone down to the current market area. Okay, so I'm marking all the areas I can see. All right, so I'll be marking it down to the closest area where price is. Okay, so around this area, I'm trying to mark out the support and resistance zone. All right, and you can see it has been tested multiple times. All right, so I'm expecting price to break below this, retest it, and then continue to the downside. All right, so around this area I can spot a support zone where price is going to like head to and then bounce from. All right, in the coming hours or minutes. All right, so here on the 30-minute time frame, this is where I'll be waiting for my entry condition. All right, so I'll be waiting for a retest down to the zone. All right, if the market retests to the key level I've marked up there, then I'll be looking for my sell down to the next support and resistance zone below. Okay, so I'll be marking another area above here. All right, in case price decide to give us a faked out or reverse back to above our um, resistance zone above there. If it decide to reverse, then I'll be looking for a buy entry down to the next resistance zone up there. Okay, so I need to have a plan A and a plan B in case. All right, So in either way, I want to be making profit from the market. Okay, so if you're a new viewer and you have watched to this extent, please make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy or a powerful educational video like this, you get notified immediately. Okay, so the link to my Telegram channel is in the description of this video. Make sure to join and your life will never remain the same. All right, and for those of you who have not yet get my VIP boom and crash strategy, my contact is still there. Make sure to get my contact and chat me up.